If your diesel engine is suddenly acting like it is starving for fuel or giving you a hard time when you try to start it on a cold morning, you might be staring at a P228C code on your scanner. This specific trouble code is a generic powertrain signal, which means it can show up on a wide variety of OBD2 vehicles made from 1996 onwards, like your Chevy, Ford, or even a BMW. In my time under the hood, I have noticed this one pops up almost exclusively on diesel engine. Basically, your powertrain control module, which we call the PCM, is seeing a low voltage signal from the electronic fuel pressure regulator circuit. This regulator is usually labeled as number 1, especially if your engine uses more than one to keep things running smooth. Think of the fuel pressure regulator as the gatekeeper of your engine. The PCM uses data from the fuel rail pressure sensor to constantly tweak the voltage sent to a small servo motor inside that regulator. When the voltage goes up, the valve opens more to boost pressure, and when it drops, the pressure follows suit. If the PCM sees that the voltage and the actual pressure just do not match up with what it expects, it throws that P228C code and turns on your check engine light. This is a serious one because wrong fuel pressure can actually chew up your engine internals or ruin your catalytic converter. You might notice your fuel economy tanking or see black smoke pouring out of the tailpipe. To fix this, you should start by looking for any technical service bulletins that match your specific vehicle and engine combo. Then get your hands on a digital volt ohm meter to check the wiring and connectors for any signs of burns or breaks. If the wiring looks solid, you'll want to test the actual voltage at the regulator and the sensor. If everything electrical checks out, it might be time to hook up a manual pressure gauge to the fuel rail to see what is really happening inside. Just be incredibly careful because these diesel systems operate under extremely high pressure that can be dangerous if you do not know what you're doing.